EHS tag, and then we go to the environmental safety and health safety website. On the right hand side, we will see, oh, it updated. We see this, a hazardous waste and disposal website. It's Waste E. You can also just type the URL, EHS, UCOP, edu. You log in with your credentials. Everybody will have access to this if they're in the McCloskey lab. Okay, once you're here, you go to view my tags, and then you say this is a chemical. Then you go to templates. Under templates, you find whichever one you need a thing for. So for this one, we are making a PFA, right? It's a paraformaldehyde, 4%. On the right-hand side, you'll see the green button, which is edit, delete, never delete, don't really edit. Just go to view tag, which is the white label. It will come up to this. If any of these parameters are incorrect for the waste container that you're using, for example, if you're using a 1 liter bottle, you would change that here. But in our case, we're using a half a liter bottle, so this is all good. Don't mess with anything unless you added something new to it, and that's it. That's literally all you have to do. So then you just go to the bottom and you say save and print. Now the important thing is that you have to print out this exact label because it comes with a unique ID. So if you don't open it up and print this one, let's say you create a new one, then when they come to pick it up, they're going to be looking for 2 different labels. So you have to make sure that this is the one that you attach to the container that you want to get removed. So once it's like this, you just literally print it. And if you use this computer, it's already connected to our printer. So all you have to do is come over here and just wait for it to print out. If you're using a different computer, then you'll have to print it out yourself or figure out where to print it. Okay, so there it is. I always leave the printer open because it updates and prints out a shit ton of papers. Oh, I shouldn't have cursed. All right, so then once you have the printed, you fold it on the lines. Into fourths. All right, and then you come over here underneath the microscope, or underneath the laser side of the microscopes, on the second shelf, nope, on the first shelf, we have these sleeves. Our safety manager is in charge of procuring more of these, so if you ever run out, just talk to your safety manager. Slide them in with the details of the chemical pointing out. You can see the tracking ID that's unique to the tag that you just made, who printed it out, my name's on here, the McCloskey lab, location, and all the parameters of what's in the container. If you're making a tag, it's a toxic or dangerous chemical, so always wear gloves and proper PPE. Since we're not coming in contact with it, but we are coming in contact with the bottle, gloves. You find your waste container. And you stick it on upright. And there you go. Waste container labeled and ready for pickup. And you put it back in our disposal bin.